empowering every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. We are a global company. We want to make sure that the power of technology reaches every country, every vertical, every organization, irrespective of size. When you think about any customer of ours, they are being transformed through the power of digital technology and in particular software. There isn't a company out there that isn't a software company. And our goal is to help them differentiate using digital technology. The core of Cortana is the ability to collect all the personal data, your calendar information, your email information, your likes, your history, and reason over it so that it can help you with your attention, your time, which is the scarce commodity. More analytic capabilities. Cortana, Bing and its web. I want to show you how holographic computing and HoloLens can fundamentally change one of the core applications that is run on the desktop, Maya from Autodesk, which is a 3D app or 3D modeling app. It will fundamentally change how people think of what is possible with computing.
Using HoloLens, we have shown that it can revolutionize the way people work, play, communicate, learn, and create. Today, I want to show you another example of how holograms can change the way you work and create. Creating 3D scenes using 2D tools require a lot of training and practice. Sometimes, to test a design, I create physical 3D prints of the model to make it easier to understand its relation to the real world. But 3D prints are time-consuming and expensive to do frequently. Today, I'm going to be using Maya by Autodesk, and I will show you how HoloLens doesn't need to replace the workflow I have mastered, which would be very costly, but instead can extend my existing tools and add spatial understanding to help me visualize my work better and improve my productivity. So let me put on my HoloLens and show you what I'm working on. So right here in Maya, I have my motorcycle that I've been working on. And to the right, I have a holographic representation of the bike. And everything you see, the stage, the motorcycle, and the toolbar, can all be seen on my HoloLens. And everything I do in Maya instantaneously updates on the hologram.
In addition to that, Dan can go beyond his monitor. He can manipulate the model directly, which will make real-time updates in Maya. To do that's really simple. Dan just takes his mouse, he drags the cursor off the screen onto the hologram.
So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate the bike so you can see it from all sides. I can also scale it. I'm going to make it small and real big so I can see all of the details. I can also move it and place it wherever I want on my desktop. And if I had a 3D print, I could put them side by side and compare them.
Dan is still doing all of this work in Maya. He's leveraging his experience as an industrial designer. Now, one of the great things about HoloLens is that you can still see the real world and all of the objects in it. And you can overlay them with precise holograms.
So let me show you what we mean. Real life mode. So what this allows us to do is make changes directly on the motorcycle and see them in real time. Load orange. All right, that looks pretty nice. I think I like the blue one a little bit better. Load blue.
go. Oh Lord. I'm not afraid of dying. I don't want to die, but I'm not afraid of it. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. I just go, and I don't let up until I have to.
On the Eagle, there's over 30 sensors. They gather almost 12 million points of data. We want to figure out the best way in which for this car to run. Enter the Microsoft Cloud. We're able to take the data, automatically process it, and get the results in a time frame that was unimaginable in the past.
If you start thinking with fear, you're going to be living with fear, and you're not going to be achieving the goals that you set for yourself. Two things that I'm thinking before I take off. Let this be a testament that girls can do anything they set their mind to, and do not wreck this car.
We're processing over 2,000 measurements a second, and that's where machine learning comes in. We're going to be able to try to find the correlations that are probably not obvious and drive this project to a greater extent than we ever could have dreamed.
We will make history in 2015.
Now with GigJam, I was able to summon the information from across all my different systems, link that information incredibly seamlessly, and then divvy up the work. Not the communications about the work, the actual work tasks themselves. And I had complete control of exactly who saw what information and how it got approved in the system. See, actually, Talon is available on Skype. I see him right there. So when I send this to him, it's actually going to prompt an automatic voice call as well, so we can have a conversation about the information I just shared. Hey, Talon.
Hey, Julia, how you doing?
Well, we're good, but we have an urgent customer situation, and I need some people from your team to help out. I sent you some of the orders. You can see the products I'm talking about. Can you recommend which people should go talk to Northwind?
Yeah, for those products, I would definitely Anatoly and Bao. So let me make a quick note for you so you can follow up with them later.
Great, just put that note and put their names in GigJam. I'll be all set. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Bye. All right, we know that's incredibly efficient, right? I only needed Talon for that one part of the meeting. He didn't have to be here for the whole meeting.